So we have a SEAT here for pre-lease inspection. We're doing it to the BVRLA standards. We're not the judge and jury, but we're doing a pre-inspection to show the condition of the car, and then the customer can make up their minds what makes sense to put right before it goes back, if anything. Right, so you're seeing the red stickers on it. These are tape marks, but they're just to show us what to look at, what's on there and what isn't. So this tape mark here is shown on the bonnet that you've got a couple of little birds mark stains. Nothing serious, haven't gone through the lacquer. This one here is, what was here, James? I can't really see this. Is this another birds mark?
No, they're chips.
Oh, I see. A couple of chips, a couple of little light chips that I don't really see there's anything too much to worry about. There's another one here. Is that for that?
Yep.
And then what's this one? Oh, this is the big birds mark, bigger. Okay, so that's a little over an inch. Yep, okay. So the front bumper's got a tiny little scratch down here, hardly there. And what's this here?
It's like a little indent in the plastic.
Oh, it's had a little dent, just a tiny little dent, yeah. Under the bumper's fine, front number plate's fine, lights, headlights are fine. Near side front bumper's got a little bit of a scratch here. It's nothing serious, not too deep, but it goes right into the wing. Wheels are all right, tyres are Michelin, they're good. And the scratch goes across here towards the door handle. Again, it's not too deep. Mirror's okay, roof okay, no dents and scratches. And I've got a little tiny dent here, which is a car door's just hit it, but nothing serious. I don't think you can see that in the video. If I go inside, it just needs a little bit of cleaning. Passenger seat and the back and the front are a little bit grubby. Car's being serviced tomorrow. Spare key needs to be put back in the car. Locking wheel nut is in the car. If I go to the rear here, this door has been repaired before, and so has the rear door, and they've done a very good repair, but a tiny little bit of what I call DA marks here. There's sanding down marks from the repair, there and there, only about an inch long, but the panel's been repaired very well, so not seeing anything out of line, and does look like a pretty good job. Apart from those just a couple of little bits. Small dent there, nothing we'd normally worry about, but it's got a tiny chip in it, so possibly worth dotting in. Scratch on this rear bit here, it's not serious, only light, but it's on there. And then we've also got a little dent on the sway arm, which is only tiny, you can see by the size of my finger. Back seat's in here, no dents in the door apertures. Back seat's got a couple of stains, but nothing serious. If I go around the back, the load area's got a couple of little scratches. Little scratch here, lights are all good, rear number plate's good. If I go in the boot, it doesn't have a spare, but it's got the little kit in there, everything's in place, but it's on there, right? Little tiny scratch here, nothing serious. Nothing on the seals, wheels good on this side. We've got a Yokohama, what is this? This is an original tyre.
They're original.
They're original hand coops, but they've got the Michelins on the front, right, good. Okay, so a little mark on the back here, no marks to the door shuts. Driver's side seat's okay, a little bit of wear on the steering wheel, but nothing serious. No holes in the carpet, carpet's good. Little tiny scratchy chippy bits here, nothing serious. Roof's good on this side, little chip on the edge of the door there. Driver's door handle's got another little chip. And driver's wheel's got, what is that? It's a little tiny chip on there, a little scuff. Only tiny, but otherwise the wheels are very good. We've got a mark on the screen here, but it is so small that I don't think it would warrant a repair. We've got a photograph showing its size. It's chipped the surface, so I can see that. So I think it's too small to do a windscreen repair. Otherwise, all the glass is very good. So otherwise, it's been a well looked after car, but there's a few chips and marks and knickknacks around it that we'll address now. Amazing.